This is our turmeric tea. The turmeric tea is made from turmeric root, and it's made from ginger root, and then it has some pepper in it to help activate all the ingredients. But yeah, it's the actual root. We grind them up in the blender. So my wife will grind up all the turmeric and the ginger, and she'll put them in an ice cube tray, and then she'll freeze them, and then she puts them in this bag here, so when we want to have tea, it's really convenient. All we do is we just take one of these bricks and we put them in the tea steeper keeper thing there, and then it melts them down and makes a nice tea. So yeah, that's a good way. Now we got, like, you know, tea. We can have tea every day. But yeah, root tea is the way to go. It's really good. And then we put them in here inside the steeper there, or the whatever you call that, the keeper, steeper keeper. And then we pour the hot water in there, and then it gets all the juices and everything out of there, and it puts them into the hot tea. And then this one here, my wife put some honey in there. She has a bit of a sweet tooth, so she put the hot tea in there with some honey to make some sweet tea. So this is really good. You can drink this hot or you can drink this cold, but that makes a really good sweet tea. It's turmeric, ginger, and pepper is what we put in there, and honey. So yeah, it's a pretty crazy tea, but it's really good. If you like a nice spicy tea, this is a good one. Plus, it also has a lot of health benefits. It's an anti-inflammatory, and it's also a very calming drink. It helps you calm down. And I guess maybe that's part of the anti-inflammatory benefits. When you have a lot of inflammation, you're just kind of ornery. But once you get the anti-inflammatories in you, it helps you calm down. So yeah, that's our spicy tea.